Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh again, and this is another shot of remaining Christmas decorations I'm seeing as I'm walking home, stopping here and there, and way up at the top of the hill is that house all in blue that I talked about in an earlier video, and I'm going to go across the street and get this house. These guys on this corner decorate every year. They had a neat stuff, but not a car. We didn't see it. We saw it, but we couldn't film it. I was out with Patty one day. So I'm gonna go across here, and then nothing on this. So there's something on the corner. Maybe that's what I'm thinking of. All right, gotta be careful and get run over. These guys go real fast down here. Alright, this is cool. The next house up. These are pretty. I didn't notice this thing. Oh, that's because of my light. I thought maybe they had lighted street signs, which would be interesting and good idea. Solar lighted street sign. Okay. Whew. It's not fun pulling this cart. I need a dog or a reindeer. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Look what he's done here. I used to have some of those 40 years ago. Little plastic reindeer. But I lost my storage. This is really, really cute. Those used to be only $1 back in the 70s. Here's giant Santa, icicles and penguin, lights blinking on and off, and a little snowman, and another projector thing with Despicable Me creatures. And over there, some lights. Nothing up there. Nothing there. So, that's it for this one. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay warm and dry, and have a great New Year. Whoa. Bye-bye for now. Oh, you got a little wreath here. Okay.